Hello explorers and welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk about Wake on-lan. And Wake on-lan is a feature that most servers and desktops has built into the BIOS, and it's when you are sending a particular package to port 9 or port 7 in order to wake the computer up. And in my case, I was using a bunch of computers in order to run tests for my work. So I have an application that runs in the cloud. We run an instance or multiple instances of this in order to do some kind of work. It connects to a queue, picks some work, and then does the work and then sends the result back and then takes the next work. And in order to test that, I will run that on a huge amount of, in my case, PDFs. And the large amount of PDFs, I work off the same queue and I want multiple workers. So in my home environment here, I can set up 21 different workers that are running, which means that I can do the work in a couple of hours, which is really nice. But the sad part is that most of the workers, 6 each on the machines, so that would be 18 of the workers, are running on machines that are very loud, and I don't want them to be running all the time. I could, of course, turn my back and turn the computer on when I want to run it and then shut it off when I'm done with it. But I already built a script in Ansible that will shut the machines down, but I also wanted the script that are doing the actual works that will turn those machines on before I actually run the works. The only thing I need to do when I want to run a test run is fill the queue and then run one script, and then I can go away and wait for the result, pretty much. So let's switch over to my screen here and look at the Wake on-lan. So first off, the nodes that I want to start is 9, 10, and 11. And these I want to do this work on, but I don't want it to gather the facts on the servers. Gather facts is pretty much connecting to the server, figure out if you have a Python installation, and see that you can actually do some work on the server. I don't want it to do that because the servers are not running at the moment. They are off. And I want to send a signal to them to turn them on. So that therefore I want the gather facts to be no. I don't want to gather facts for this particular task. Then we have the actual tasks here. So I will send a magic on wake-lan package to node 9. There is this community general wake on-lan. So this is something that somebody has built that will send this package on port 9. So you could actually go in here and say port 7 if you have machines that are using port 7, but I think the default is port 9. Then you need to tell it what MAC address you actually want to send the package on. So this is the MAC address for port 9, and then you have port 10, and then you have port 11. And delegate to localhost means that it will run the actual script that sends this package on localhost. So you could have a different server if you want to that delegates the work to, but in my case I put localhost. So this will turn the machines on, and if I just do this and then continue running the script, it will fail on the next gather fact because the machines will not have started up in time. So I need to do one more step, and the next step is of course on these same machines, don't gather any facts. And then we have this built-in wait for connection. So in this case, I wait for not 300, 1200 seconds. So multiple minutes, 2 minutes, or 20 minutes. I will wait for them to start. It will never take that long. It probably will take more like 60 to 80 seconds or something like that. So first off, we have a delay of 60 seconds because it will probably not start in under a minute. And then after 60 seconds, it will ping the machine regularly in order to see, are you up yet? Are you up yet? Are you up yet? And when this actually figures out that these machines are started, then it can continue running the rest of the script. So with these two small additions to my script, I could have machines that are turned off and then just wake them up when I need to do some work and then turn them off again. So this was what I wanted to cover today. I hope that you found this interesting. I hope that you learned something. If you have any comments or suggestions, leave those in the comment section down below. If you like this video, give it a like, share it with your friends and colleagues. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. And I really hope to see you in the next video.